Hello! Teka, ayan. Hello, Cornara. So, as you can see, we're having our second get-together Christmas party. O, New Year party na rin, no? New Year party. So, nandito kami ngayon sa, before nasa Max Restaurant kami, and then we proceeded sa bahay ni Berteka. So, yung mga wala dito, like, sila... Mental block. Basta yung mga wala rito, nakaklase namin. Sobrang namimiss na namin kayo. For so many years na hindi tayo nakita-kita, siguro it's about time na sa mga susunod na reunion, sana makarating kayo. So, good luck sa inyo dyan. Be healthy and always remember that we love you. Okay. So, ang president nga pala ng Cornara ngayon ay ako. Ang nag-elect ay ang... Ako! Hindi. Nominated myself to the position. I've been wanting to have the position. Elementary stage. Ay, mga loko-loko. Hoy, baka nasa YouTube. Video lang yan, ha? Lalagay mo. Dahil mga primitive yung iba natin kasamahan, hindi mahiling mag-text. So ako na yung napag-tusa na mag-text sa inyo at parating sa inyo ang mensahe na talagang siguro, not every year, pero not possible, siguro every year. 5 years, after 5 years,
Tagal naman, no?
every year na lang, oh. Every year. Baka magkaroon na kami ng ganitong get-together na exclusive sa Cornara talaga. So, ito yung mga nandito ngayon. Kaya, nandito si mga presents.
Resilino. Ay, ganyan na lang.
Mga presents na umaten. Ayan, ang mga presents na umaten. Ayan. Nakikilala niyo pa ba sila? Here's Racy. Racy, Angelina Jolie look-alike. And we have Merdeka here. In this corner, we have Resilina Ocho. On the back side, we have Myra Agata Valdez Alagon. And we have here Clarissa, the hot Lola. And on the left side, we have yours truly, Serna Robles. And, oh! The crying, laughing lady. No other than, other than, Nida. Tama na, Nida na lang. Hulaan nyo. First, Nido. Okay. And then, here's Madam Nenita. Nenita Santos ka na ba? Falcon. Nenita Falcon. Tony Falcon. Okay. And we have one guy here in the name of Daumintu Rolando Timado. And the Doctora Glutathione Calusita Balugaya. Okay. We have a paparazzi here with the camera who is not a fan of uploading pics, only taking pics. Wala ka, kwenta ko. Okay, here's the Canada girl. Salamat at nakauwi siya. Okay, the pretty face, Cheryl Atayan. Ay, sorry, mali pala. Kamali. Cheryl Del Munto Schwarzenegger. Ano ba ang apelido ng asawa mong Canadian? Wala. Wala. Okay. And the two of us here. Also we are present. My pal here is
Kabali-baligtad na siya. Yesu. Matamunas.
Oh, Yesu. Of course, our dear Clara. And yours, Julie? Dora. Dora. Anna. Okay. What's the video for? Huh? What is video for? Are you going to use that? Huh? Okay. And now, other present in this other present in this get-together party are some boys here. So, here is Rolando Pimaga, Erwin the Tuplado boy, Edgar Nacion, the Antucan boy, and Rich Atayan, Noli Boy de Castro, and Sir Emmanuel Natalia. These are the present people in this party. Naku, may aso. Ikaw.